Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to Play Store something went wrong, how to enable to install app on Play Store. If you are getting something went wrong on Play Store and you are unable to install apps on Play Store app, so you just need to do a step. Just keep a long press on Play Store app, then tap on app info, and here you just have to scroll down and look for storage and cache. Just tap on it, and now just tap on clear storage. And then tap on delete, and after that the all viruses of Play Store will be deleted. Now you just have to open the Play Store app, just tap on it, and then you will be able to install apps from Play Store app. And here you can see it has been working. So that's how you can fix the problem of Play Store app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.